In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram messages not sent. So right now, let's head over here to our messages. And for example, let's try to send in here a message for this person. So as you can see right here, the message has been sent. However, if your message hasn't been sent, that can only mean that they have actually blocked you. So if that person has actually blocked you, they won't be able to actually see the message that you sent, and the message that you have will not actually be sent. However, if that person doesn't block you, what you can do instead is to head over right here to profile icon. Then once you're in here, click on these three lines. Then scroll down to the very bottom until you can see this help right here. So head over and click on this help. Now from here, click on this report a problem. And then from in there, click on this report problem as well. Click on continue, and then put in here some things like, I can't send a message. So head over and then send this, and then head over and just click on this button, and then just wait for Instagram to message you back for 3 to 5 business days. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.